Good evening, guys. We're back out for another one. It is an absolutely beautiful evening out here. It is completely glassed off, so decided let's go out for a quick run. So we're just gonna do an evening run. I think what we're gonna do is actually make a run towards Wiarton. Haven't been down that way in a while, so we're gonna head that way. Maybe hit the island, cross the east shore or the north shore, as it would probably be, and then go in towards Wiarton and make our way back out, see if we get a good sunset and stuff like that. So that's the plan for tonight. But as you can see, it has completely glassed off, so you got to be out on the water on nights like this. Alright guys, we made it to the western tip of White Cloud Island. I've always liked this tip just with how exposed the rock is. And it's awfully shallow, so it's still a lot of pollen in the water, but it's really shallow here, so most boats can't get this close to it and stuff like that, right? Which is why I love my Sea-Doo. But yeah, just a beautiful sight to see, especially at sunset. So I think our plan is we're going to actually run straight over the cliffs over here, which are silhouetted right now because the sun is setting behind them. Follow that coastline into Wiarton, and then our ride back out will be along this shore, coming back out. We're losing light quick here, so we're gonna bob it now into Wiarton and then make our way back. So here we go. This coming up here is the Wiarton Marina. You need gas or anything like that, they've got it here. That does not look like much from the water. You wouldn't even know there's a town here, but this is like the gateway town to northern Bruce. All right, well, let's head over to their dock. With these water levels, I think their dock is pretty close to being underwater, so one last look at the marina and then let's head over to the dock now. Wow, this is absolutely crazy. Like, there's maybe what? Maybe a foot and a bit. That's how high the water level is. Usually, I mean, that's usually down 3 or 4 feet. Oh, there goes some seagulls. Scare them away. This dude's just chilling here. Oh, look at him. Ballsy. Good job, buddy. Hanging in there. Well, that's pretty much the trip into Wiarton. So, all right, we're now I'm gonna head back out on the south coast. Well, that's it for another adventure. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had a good time watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Please, if you would subscribe, that'd be great as well. It just knows that you guys are out there watching it, and I appreciate everything you guys have been saying and all the comments and the likes and everything like that. So like I said, hope to get some more videos up soon for you guys. Thanks for watching again. All the best till the next adventure. Peace. And there's water on the ledge. Oh well. Always good to end with a little bit of fun, right? Okay. And that's all.